happy to get his due and the gold trophy. Professor Nuts still clowning around.
You know, if I listen myself too much, I feel bored. I'm telling you. I don't think I'm conceited that way.
No. In an ecosystem of egos, Professor Nuts, as modest as they come, even offering to help us carry equipment. Young son in tow for the interview. The interplay affectionate and light-hearted. In his music and on stage, Nuts known for clowning around.
Whenever a promoter have a stage show where look too dead, they always use me as the icing on the cake to make the people perk up, you know. People need to laugh. Especially Jamaica.
Filled with a lot of screw faces.
Yeah, we need more of that right now. You know, and whatever they're doing right now, it's getting monotonous to me. I don't know, it's my personality. It's just that from day one, in school, I am a jovial, comedic person. I am the only one them always having a corner, taking the left hand or the right ears and whatever. Where music is concerned, it drives me more, and I feel good within myself, making you laugh and she laugh.
Woman, man, biggest problem.
Did that transfer to the dancehall scene that you wanted to be a part of?
Not fully to me, especially where recording is concerned. It is more of a, what do I call it now?
A performance
thing. Thank you.
She bust the brazier, 2 grapefruit drop out before the baggy must be reach a Gabriel Park roundabout.
It's a performance thing, and that's where I see where I am for, the performing part. I can go on a stage anytime and exhale and the place go up.
So you have regrets that you didn't translate more as a recording artist?
No, I do have no regrets, believe it or not.
None?
No, because I'm that type of person who like to personally and physically come at you. As I said, I don't consider myself a recording artist. I do a lot of records, yes, but to me, I don't come across the people on the record as much. Everybody say, well, I know, I like that song, yeah, but to me, you know, hey, it's boring.
In Jamaica, where they're a little bit on edge, a little bit grumpy, how do you actually manage to, you know, get through that and reach people?
You just attack them emotionally, spiritually, everything. There's a barrier between people who is grumpy and you who has a personality. If you can enhance your personality and throw it at them like that and they appreciate it, and you can juke them in the short ribs and get them smiling, that's where you achieve something. That's what I'm trying to do throughout my lifetime, make people feel good. As I tell you, I'm a stress alleviator in this way. There's no man we're too serious when me can make go. Even without a smile, here. If it's even that. I'm reaching an audience musically, that's what I do. Just go out, perform on stage, let people hear me, and they still say I'm relevant to the dance hall, you know? Maybe that legacy that I have from then coming up still keep me alive here.
What's happening right now for Professor Nuts?
Well, sit down and go and look for that avenue where I can go through, because whatever is going on now in the dance hall, I don't think I want to jump on that bandwagon. I don't like it. I'm feeling foreign. I'm feeling more like what the rappers doing, more than a reggae thing. Me nah get that boogie out tight. I like to feel my bass. I like to hear my bass. I like to feel that rhythm. And then a good message come across on top of that rhythm. I am not getting it.
Can't take my thing too serious, charge.
It watered right down. Where does the reggae music go? What we gonna do with the real reggae music? Sit down and watch it just fade away?
Put it in a museum?
Hello? I think you have a good point there. But we shouldn't do that. We shouldn't put it in a museum. You know who keeps it going now? the Rastafarians. Think about that. The Kimetan, the this, that. The Rastafarians, they are more concrete.
The big difference between Jamaica that you as a young man can remember, have vivid memories of, and the Jamaica right now is?
Gunmen never kill woman and picnic. When me and you was smaller, we never think about rum. And a shake no special in a glass. If them pick up a gun, the liquor say shoot and they don't care. Weed is another thing. Me talk plain, you know, it's not everybody man can take the weed. Them get so miserable when them drink and smoke. Too young.
Professor Nuts soon to be honored by a diaspora organization called the Rugudat Committee. He can't wait, especially to get his hands on the trophy.
They decide in mind that they're not gonna give you a plaque that when you cry over it, it's strip when the eye water catch it. And them say, you see this thing around your neck? We are gonna make it bigger and better in gold, 14 karat. I say, hello. When you see it, you go, and blush and all that thing. Oh my God, man, do you ever talk about that, man? I say, see the goose people again.
But you can't keep it at home.
Hello? What about safe deposit?
So, inna the bus, them a kick up rock post, yes. Inna the bus.